Ever wondered how to make lemon lavender cupcakes at home? It's a delightful blend of tangy lemon and calming lavender, all wrapped up in a sweet little cake. Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of baking and whip up some of these delicious treats. First things first, gather all the ingredients. For the cupcakes, you'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, the zest and juice of 1 large lemon, and 2 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers. For the buttercream frosting, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 4 cups of powdered sugar, the zest and juice of 1 large lemon, and 2 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers. Now onto the fun part. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with cupcake liners. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder and salt. Set it aside for now. In a large bowl, beat the butter and sugar together until they are light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the lemon zest, lemon juice and lavender flowers. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, stirring just until the ingredients are combined. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. Bake for about 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely before frosting. While the cupcakes are cooling, prepare the buttercream frosting. In a large bowl, beat the butter until it is light and fluffy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating well after each addition. Stir in the lemon zest, lemon juice, and lavender flowers. Once the cupcakes have cooled, frost them with the buttercream frosting. If you're feeling fancy, you can sprinkle a few extra dried lavender flowers on top for decoration. To summarize, start by gathering all your ingredients. Then make the cupcake batter and bake it. While the cupcakes are cooling, prepare the buttercream frosting. Finally, frost the cupcakes and add any desired decorations. There you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making delicious lemon lavender cupcakes at home. Happy baking!